The privacy changes web browsers will be required to make under a new California law could set the de facto standard for the entire country, changing how Americans control their data when using the internet, according to experts. Assembly Bill 566 requires companies that make web browsers to offer users an opt-out signal that automatically tells websites not to share or sell their personal information as they browse. Under the law, browsers like Google's Chrome and Microsoft's Edge will have until the beginning of 2027 to create a way for consumers to select the signal. The legislation, a first of its kind in the country, was sponsored by the California Privacy Protection Agency, the state's consumer privacy watchdog, as well as several other consumer advocacy and privacy rights groups. Advocates for the new law point out this still puts the burden on the consumer to navigate to web pages and individually select web pages to opt out from. The new tool will effectively automate that process, giving consumers a single toggle to keep their data protected. Already, some browser makers have voluntarily offered similar settings under a framework called the Global Privacy Control. Mozilla's Firefox, for example, includes a setting called, quote, "Tell websites not to sell or share your data." With that setting on, the browser communicates to sites that the visitor wants the site to respect the user's preference. Several states, including Texas and New Jersey, have moved to force companies to respect such preferences, and California's Attorney General has even taken legal action against businesses that fail to do so. The law didn't get across the finish line without friction. As CalMatters reported in September, despite not being publicly against the legislation, Google organized opposition to the bill through a group it backs financially. Some advocates say they're going to continue to push to further expand privacy preferences. For CalMatters, I'm Robert Meeks, with reporting by Colin Lecher.